I think it's one of the unique features of CORE is that we have a set of themes coming from these real-world problems that students have demonstrated to us that they're interested in. The themes of inequality, environmental sustainability, innovation, the big questions of instability and economic development, as well as questions of policy and power. So they're the themes that we have, and what we've done is to thread those themes right through the text, and we actually have a color coding system so students can see when they get to a particular section, well, that also refers to environmental sustainability, and it perhaps also relates to innovation. Then they can take those themes and see them brought together in capstone units at the end of the text. Those capstone units may not even be covered in their course, but they're there for students to pull the threads together in the topics that are of particular concern to them. So let's just take an example and think about the capstone unit of environmental sustainability. We introduced this right at the very beginning, so we have long-run data on carbon dioxide emissions and on global warming. So these are take this hockey stick shape that we use as emblematic of long-run economic development. So we bring in environmental sustainability right at the beginning. It plays a very central role in the fourth unit, where we discuss social interactions and social dilemmas, and climate change and environmental problems are perfect examples for illustrating these social problems and different mechanisms through which they can be solved. And I think just to kind of pull this together is how we define the economy and how we define economics. So the way we define the economy is that it's about our interactions with others as we make our living. It's our interaction with other people, but also with our natural environment. So we see the economy as sitting inside society, as sitting inside the natural environment. And that's how we define the economy and how we define economics. So the question of environmental sustainability is right there at the heart of how we teach economics.